Hi everybody, and welcome to today's Fluorescent Friday. We are in the elevaTOURS Fluorescent Lighting Laboratory, where today we have two packages that came in, and we are going to unbox them and show them off right here on camera. So with that being said, let's set the camera up on the tripod and get started. Alright guys, our first package comes to us from T. Thomas. Out of respect, we're not going to show the address label, but we are going to unbox it right here on camera and see what's in it. Whoever packaged this did it in a very good manner. If it's hard to open, they packaged it well. Ooh, look at this. We have a GE F4T5 light bulb. Stick that over there. Alright, we're going to have to take this stuff out. We've got a lot of wrapping paper here. This is going to be a messy unboxing, y'all. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. It's got a cord, an elevator pencil on it, and we have... Ah, cool! We have a preheat F20 T12 strip light with a black light bulb. So we'll set this up here for now. So a big thank you to Tate Thomas. Tate Thomas autographed this thing. Cool. Let's show this off. This is cool. The person that sent it to me signed it. Look at that. This is the person that sent the light fixture in. So yeah, see, we got an F20 light fixture. So you know what we got to do. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Alright, y'all. Check this out. Ooh, it's very blinky. Cool. Live stream viewers, this is awesome. Tate, thank you so much for this awesome light fixture. This is cool. Alright guys, we got the awesome F20 fixture from Tate. Now we're going to open this box, the big box. It says fluorescent lamps on it, so I wonder what's in it. Ugh. Alrighty. This box looks like it needs some help opening, so we will do just that. Alright, we got this one open. Now we're going to start pulling stuff out. Oh, cool. We have a light bulb. Our first light bulb we have is a Philips Cool Green. F40 Blue. We got a whole box of the, wow, we got, wow. Oh, cool. We got an F40 Gold. There's a gold bulb. This is my light bulb Christmas. F30 T8 Daylight. We'll have to get a different fixture down here to burn this. An industrial F30 T8 ML. I don't know what that means. But Market Light Plus. We will get an F30 fixture down here to burn these. Ooh, an F40 Pink! Look at this, guys. F40 T12 Pink. There's an F40 Pink. This is awesome. I wanted... Oh, wow! It's a red! Oh my gosh! Oh, look at this! This is beautiful! F40 T12 red. Look at that, guys. This is cool. Oh wow, we have a Westinghouse Black Ender F20 T12 Blue. Old Westy Blue F20. Set him down there. What do we have here? Oh wow. F15 T12 Gold. Look at that. F15 T12 Gold. This is Christmas in January for me. I'm dreaming of a light bulb Christmas. Okay, we have another F15 T12 Gold. You saw the first one, so we'll set that down there. Ooh, I see Black Ender. Oh, cool. Awesome. F15 T8 Green, old Sylvania Black Ender. This is awesome. Oh, Chris, I love this. I love it. I hope the person that sent this to me is watching. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's an F20 T12 red. I've always wanted, or F20 T12 red. I've always wanted one of these. Thank you so much. Look at this. F20 T12 red. Woohoo! Oh gosh, this is the most excited I've been in a long time. Okay, what's this? Market Light Plus F20 T12. I can't wait to try these. You know we're going to light each and every one of these bulbs up. Okay, well, I feel another T. Alright, this is another T. Okay, F30. Another Market Light. We already saw this. Just another Market Light F30 T8. Stick that down there with that. Oh my gosh, I gotta do something. Oh wow! Oh, cool! F15 T8 germicidal bulb. A G15 T8. This is going to be cool. We're going to have to go upstairs and get several fixtures and bring them down here to test these out. This, guys, this is going to be a long video because we have a lot of light bulbs to show. We have, cool! An F40 T12 green. Look at that, guys. F40 T12 green. There it is. It's a green one. I'll tell you, this person has instantly given me an amazing collection of light bulbs. And I owe a big debt of gratitude. And we have... Is this green? Let me see. I can't read it. Hold on. F40G. This is a F40 T12G. Oh my gosh, I'm just glad these bulbs all made it here in one piece because the package looks like it got pretty manhandled. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, a GE Mazda brass end cap. Ah! I'm getting bulbs I've always wanted. It doesn't have any marking on it though. Oh my gosh, Mazda 30 watt red. This bulb is from the 1940s. This is a collectible bulb, y'all. Look at this. Let's turn on the elevaTOURS video light. This right here is a very rare bulb. Look at this. Mazda F30 red. Wow. Guys, look at this. This bulb right here is from the 1940s. It's an old Mazda fluorescent lamp. Oh my gosh, this, I got to do something nice for this dude. I mean, this guy sends me like, oh my gosh, this is just amazing. I wanted some colored lamps. Oh my gosh, I'm just going crazy. There's still more in here. We have, I think, oh, did I always show one of these off? Yeah, I think I did. This is another Sylvania F40 Gold. Look at that, guys. F40 Gold by Sylvania. The cool thing is we get to turn on each and every one of these light bulbs. Looks like we have 2 or 3 more in here. A Vero, I've never seen this. A Vero Alight F40 VAL. Alright guys, there's the stamping. Let's see if the camera will focus. Oh, a GE F40 Pink. Look at that, guys. F40 Pink by General Electric. Let's see if there... Oh, I still feel something in here. Let's pull all this packing material out. Oh, another bulb. Oh, an industrial F20 T12 Gold. Look at that, y'all. F20 T12 Gold. This may be just about it. Oh, I still feel more weight in here. Oh, this is the gift that keeps on giving. There's the sleeve for that. We have another F20 T12 Gold. And let's gently pull out. I don't want any bulbs falling out of here. And you know what? The box is empty. So guys, thank you so much to these two awesome people that sent this stuff in. We're going to go upstairs and get some light fixtures, and we'll be right back, and then we're going to start lighting up each and every bulb. See y'all in a second. Alright guys, here's the exciting part. We now have fixtures, and we're going to light each and every light bulb. Let's get started. F40 pink, F20 gold, F30 red, F15 germicidal. Alright guys, here we go. F30 germicidal, or no, F15 germicidal. F15 germicidal. That is awesome. F20 gold. Epic and blinky. F30 red. Beautiful. I have the wrong starter in here, by the way, for a T8. And F40 pink. Beautiful. Green, F40 green. F30 market light. This starter is not going to do well on these F30 T8s. F20 blue Westinghouse. Black Ender. F15 gold. F15 first. Beautiful. F20 blue. So blinky. F30 marketplace. Oh wow, that looks... Wow. This almost looks like a purplish color. I've never seen this color before. This is cool. And I'm really excited about this one. Let's try this one. Holy cow! That is bright green. This is going to be a golden relamping. F40 gold, F30 marketplace, F20 industrial gold, F15 gold. Here we go. F15 gold first. Very blinky. F20 gold. That's a much deeper gold, and it's very blinky. Alright, another marketplace bulb. And another F40 gold. Epic! F20 Marketplace Plus, F15 T8 Green, F30 T8D, Sylvania Lifeline F40 Pink. Here's the green, F15. Awesome. Marketplace F20. F30, I guess daylight. Yep, that's daylight, and that looks cool. And let's see how this Lifeline pink looks. Excellent starter action. Alright, now we're going to unlamp and remove some fixtures. Also, this F30 fixture right here was given to us by Jimster586. F20 T12 red by Sylvania. F40 T12 red by Sylvania. You ready for the startup? Here we go. Let's do them both at once. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest red I've ever seen in my life. This is beautiful. Wow. Let's do that again. Wow, this fixture's so blinky. Watch it. Epic. We're down to only F40s, and we got about 4 more bulbs left, 5 more bulbs left. F40 green. Epic. F40 cool green. That's pretty. F40 blue. No, the blue's not going to light. I'll give it a little bit longer. We got 1 bad bulb. Yeah, unfortunately, I think we have a dud here. F40 T12 gold. Beautiful. A Vertolite. I don't know what this is, but we're going to try it. Oh, cool. It's like yellow. This is awesome. So yeah, a huge thank you for all these light bulbs. All but one of them works. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this Fluorescent Friday. That'll be it.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.